Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download HubSpot contacts for e-commerce marketing, full guide step by step clearly. To download HubSpot contacts for your e-commerce marketing, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Contacts tab in the main dashboard. In the Contacts menu, you will see options for managing your contacts. Select Contacts from the drop-down to view your full list of contacts. Next, use the filters available to narrow down the contacts you want to download. You can filter by contact properties, such as lifecycle stage or recent activity. After setting your filters, click on the Apply Filter button to view the selected contacts. Once you see the filtered list, look for the Actions button located at the top right of the Contacts table. Click on Actions to reveal a drop-down menu, and then select Export. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to choose the file format for your export. You can choose between CSV or Excel formats based on your needs. After selecting your preferred format, click on Next to proceed. Here, you can choose which properties you want to include in the export. Make sure to select all relevant properties that will be useful for your e-commerce marketing efforts. Once you've made your selections, click on Export to finalize your request. HubSpot will prepare your file and send a download link to your email. Check your email for the download link and click on it to download the file. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your device's download folder. Open the file using your preferred spreadsheet software to access your contacts. Ensure that all the necessary fields are present for your marketing campaigns. You are now ready to utilize this contact data for your e-commerce marketing strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.